Hello! In this video, I want to give you a quick look ahead at a new feature coming soon to the Sabers website. This new feature is a small webUI that will allow you to virtually assemble MHS compatible components such as emitters, bodies, and pommels to get a visual reference on what your Sabers setup will look like. Let's go to the drawing board to get a closer look and an overview of the features. You will be able to access this new feature by clicking the Preview Saber button whenever it is available. The preview panel will open in your existing browser window. What you see in the center is a combination of three components. On the far left you see the emitter, then there's the body in the center, and the pommel on the far right. Now I should mention that the saber you see here is a placeholder, and upon launch of this new website feature, you will see actual photos of Saber components here instead. And you'll be able to select each one of these MHS compatible components independently. Now I'm going to change the emitter to the demo silver option. And let's do the same for the body and the pommel. Nice. Well, let me try a few more options here. Go over and pick a different emitter. Let's try demo orange. Very nice. You do the same for the pommel. See how that looks. Go here to the far right. And demo orange. Very cool. Now, I'd like to try one that's a little bit longer, so I've picked the demo black. This one has claws, and you can notice the ruler dynamically changed length. Do the same for the pommel here. Overall measurement of this setup is approximately 16.5 inches with the long emitter and the demo silver body and pommel. Again, these are placeholders, but the actual product will give you a dynamic measurement for your overall setup. And primary purpose of this web UI is to give you a visual reference on what your specific setup will look like. Show and hide that ruler for a better look there. Very nice. And that's all for this look ahead. Thank you for watching, choosing Sabers, and happy sabering!